Hi, Bob.
Hey, Julie, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you? Is this your house?
Please come in.
Where do you live?
I live in Melbourne, Florida.
Nice. Is this a typical house in Florida?
Yes, this is not, it's middle, middle income housing. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not way up there and it's not way down there. It's right in the middle.
Okay. Can we see?
Come on in.
All right, let's see. There we go.
Okay, so we come right in to our little entryway.
Okay.
And so you can sit there and take off your shoes if you want to.
I noticed you didn't take off your shoes.
I don't require that.
Okay.
Only if you want to.
Okay.
Come on in. And this is my living room. This is my dining room. This is my kitchen. It's all one room, and we call it a great room.
Okay, pretty.
And-
You have so many kitchen cabinets.
Oh, yes, I do. Oh,
Look at all those cabinets. Wow.
I know. Can you believe it? And the counters. I have lots of counters.
Okay, pretty.
And so when we have the whole family over, everybody has a seat. And this is the pantry. This is where I keep the food supplies. And I don't know if you have these kind of drawers.
Nice.
Aren't they nice?
I like
Yeah.
that.
So they slide out and you can put all your treats in there for the grandchildren and they know where to go. So more and more, just more cabinet space.
Oh,
And
much storage. Okay.
So this is called a Florida room.
Show us.
And come on out, and this is enclosed and air conditioned.
Oh, yeah, I know there's an air condition there. Okay.
And so we can use it all year round because it gets really hot in the summer, like in where you live. So, and then we have the lanai.
What's a lanai?
Lanai is an outdoor area, patio. So we cook on the grill out here, and we have our table, and we can sit out here when the weather's cooler. Sometimes it's just way too hot to sit out here.
Is that your grill there,
And
your
there's
barbecue?
my barbecue grill, and this is where we cook our hamburgers and hot dogs.
Okay. And I notice you have a screen all around your patio.
Yes, that keeps out the mosquitoes and other bugs, and so it's comfortable sitting out here and not, get eaten alive.
Do you have many insects in Florida?
We do. We have a lot of insects, but not the same as every place else. We have lots of geckos. And
What are
lots of-
geckos?
Geckos are those little. They look like they have a long tail, and what else do they call those?
Lizards?
Lizards. Yeah, they're lizards.
Okay.
And we also have frogs.
We have frogs.
Yeah, we have frogs. We have a lot of frogs.
And snakes, no?
I don't have any on. Well, maybe out in the yard they come in.
Can I see your yard? You have very pretty palm trees.
Thank you. And that's a magnolia tree.
That's a magnolia. And you have very many palm trees. It's very pretty. Okay. Can you show us the rest of the house?
Okay, and yeah, I have
How many bedrooms do you have?
3 bedrooms. I use one as an office, a den, and
Uh-huh.
it has I'll show you. Come
Okay.
on, come on. This is the main room. This is my room. Since I'm the main character in this house, this is my room. And
Your bed is so tall.
I know I need a ladder to get in.
And you have a TV in your bedroom.
I do. I watch TV in here sometimes.
And a chair.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a nice escape room too. Sometimes.
Good. And what's in there? A closet?
This is my bathroom. It's called an ensuite. It goes right from the main bedroom. So this is
Private bathroom.
my own private bathroom.
And do you
Yes.
have a shower or a
I have
bathtub?
a shower. I don't. I have showers only in this house. I
Okay.
don't have any bathtubs. And here's my closet.
Is it a big closet?
It's a good size.
Okay.
And I can hang my purses up above, and
You have many purses and your clothes are all color coordinated. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
And all those shoes. Okay, very nice.
Okay, well, there are 2 other rooms to show you.
Show us.
Okay, so we go back out to the great room. Mine's on one side of the house and the other bedrooms are on the other side of the house.
Okay, let's see.
So we go back through our living room and great room. So here's another view that you can see the whole room.
Yeah, it's nice. Very big. Okay.
And here is one bedroom, the guest bed. Oh, look at the lampshade's crooked. Oh, fix that crooked lampshade.
Okay.
I'm joking. Anyway, this is your room. When you
Well,
visit.
the guest room, right?
Yeah, this is where you
Where
stay
all your
when you
guests
visit.
stay.
Where all the guests stay in here. Yeah.
Okay, another TV in the bedroom. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And this is another bedroom?
This is another bedroom, but I choose to use it as an office.
It's
and
an
a den.
office.
And that's a sofa that opens up to a bed.
A sofa bed.
Yeah, sofa bed.
Okay. Good. And next to us here
And
is
you have
the
bathroom.
other bathroom.
That's the guest bathroom.
Very nice. And more closet space.
This is where the towels, and it's called a linen closet. Towels and...
Okay. Do you have a garage?
Oh, yes. And a laundry area.
Let's see.
So we're going back to the great room again. Everything branches off from this big room. And here is my laundry room. I don't need to be in everything.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there they are. You have a washer and a dryer.
A washer and a dryer.
Okay, good. And more cabinets.
And more cabinets. Those used to be the old kitchen cabinets that we moved out here, and I got new ones
Okay.
about 10 years ago.
And this is your air conditioning
this
unit.
is my air conditioning unit, and out here is the garage and my car.
Okay, and this is your hot water heater.
water
It's
heater.
very big.
Mm-hmm.
And you have trash cans.
Trash cans, yes.
And what happens with those? Do
Wheel
you...
them out to the end of the driveway twice a week, and the city picks up trash.
Okay.
So Wednesday is the recycle, and Monday and Thursday is the garbage.
And the
pickup.
recycle is the yellow,
Yellow one.
and the trash
green,
is
yeah.
green.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes.
nice.
And so that's it.
That's it. Well, come back inside. Thanks for showing us your house.
Well, thank you for coming to my house. And I'm coming to Spain, so I'm going to come in and say hi to all of you.
Cool. Oh, I forgot. What's your name?
My name is Maureen Jones, and I'm Julie's mom.
And where do you live again, Maureen
I
Jones?
live in Melbourne, Florida. It's 60 miles from Orlando and Disney World. You may know that.
Oh, you live near Disney World.
Yes.
And you live near SpaceX with the rockets.
All the rocket ships. We have almost every day we have a rocket ship going off.
And is this a special weekend for you, Maureen Jones?
Yes, I'm turning 80 tomorrow.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Thanks for showing us your house.
Bye.
See you in Spain.
Okay, bye-bye.